asemo ma ne obese na confusion e basa but nyameti ase bia be fine oh but we mean sure the corner koye why
oh me kwa koye but nyese bia me fitin ya no nyese bia me fitin obani anya yize za o se utiwe bi kra na ebi wo ho but unim ba so ay test na no ye mfa ho
na my test na wie na me na
David titi ubet my test no enansa ne na nura nko na ene wate nti wo ye test na no nkyere se wafa ho adi na wo ye test na enye duru ene nya ho mambo enye tase ba wage di altu sisi se my test nti ma wie da bi enye ne sa yare no every day is a risky day what you say yare we yare fun ba
hey yeah asemo
ubet ma run test ne
I think it's going to take maybe some days before I'll finish, but I'll try and Amazon it and make it short and cut.
Yeah, I did John Pence here, no. I did miss you, no.
I was sorry.
I said more so bad joy now. Nay weekend into many bones. Who said your bobo na did was stadium hosana?
Yeah.
Nam said not dream and say, watch it report an unquan to Ubuagun so. Nay say. And Colonel on an Kwana were we. And I did appear out to San. I some Potiano Peswakano. A sunrise.
Yeah, yes. Sunrise, no Peswaka. I say, obviously information for number 9, number 7 Naba. Lady no crowd, why I start you grammar. Now start you is Eva. Okay, my mirror about 7 I say, this is Monica. I'm a coiffure. Born in 1934.
What's the name to say?
I'm a coiffure. And I say Ameko Efia because the AMEKOEFIA. Ameko Efia.
Okay.
She was born in 1934. She was the winner of the first edition of the Miss Ghana contest in 1957 while representing the Volta region. She was contestant number 9. It was from the number that people from the Volta region are called number 9. And the highest statue DSU. But I don't know what, bro. And a picture about Consudan in China, the actual Miss Ghana 1957. It should be a say, oh, the Baron to one mama for Facebook. It's not just about question. Tell me, say, the Yattis Nano.
All right. Obeni. Kwame Wade asende.
I say happy birthday nkoma Yakunedu.
Yeki Sikeni Bakope e London.
Obi a oja ya rehwe no.
No say Royal Triangle Hospital no e wo Dobro. Na Kwame baby a wo na yare na bo na hwa na say age ho yare hwe.
Say izum to ka pe me say na ebi ebe wo.
Sasa
no regime ho na no. Yeah, we should speak recovery why.
All right. Opening.
Okay, the the picture now to Miss Ghana 57. Yeah, they are to in Facebook so Adom 106.3. And the mobile to me akwa ewura why?
And your man number 9 by and you did not to Facebook. No my statue
yeah.
Oh my idea. Na so my statue the nansenka number 9 or any ho.
And me can say we kra no a new nyamhye. Enti ese obi ka kire obi say o number 9 the bufu said na earlier wo kan say obi wa okay, so number 9 na I say wedwa no because new nyamhye if the whole country ya call contest na say on wetimi wini being the number 9 your friends say contestant na so they new nyamhye asem
Apani House of Folk former coach Kim Grant so okay say betu dwams who need certificate ne ho keka ho bright team ya je fin sem keka ho na men child penina kwa konya team.
Okay.
Ewo Czech Republic. They say Prague Raptors FC.
Okay.
And Hona Kim Grant say oko na wakwa enedwuma. Na na ka fofo ye say yemfa ne mabi mu akwa mu se be beboa na football ebe sare 10. Open here part of the world idie. Anoshi. Because sisi ya ye ka say the way a situation is it here e will be brim hanum say no ehu un say abrofi boy o mubui dodo na no TV right sika kra omunya free mu no enye sika ketwa enti se wan gate fee kra na any sponsorships o mo no obibi o de betiti no na yemra Ghana mehwe itimi hwe na no ade yakotoko ye suspend ye baba yara so kai ye suspend ya nche bia to na corona nso bae ebeto anaka afi na nke ba be return back to baba yara na corona e bae so one tika na amanfo kem empenifo no wi se gwam se enye yibima engi ska kramfa mo team no etiye to play football abra yanji gate fee sponsorship yi susu kra ni bi ni hoyi na ayi start times for isu kra no ye no man sign contract ato da o ti nyesa fe na okwa cancel foforo esika omde ma teams no enye sika bi betimi akita for teams no for say ayi week bia test na also omoye ene PPs also omoto ne ho kekeka ho no eden enti yemperi for no nwene ho ye mo mpepere wo mo ho meminim se enano adai openi no mo sinka ayi measures wo di gu akwan mu no based on science and data na yehwe Ghana so said the case ni sitie na yatu ho anam enso World Organization for the by say nipa no hwe na wadi na watwe na ho ya ha na pa ye bietum enti no ye check ye ho ansa na ye bietum za sa World Organization for you on we did o machi blind ya open because one month here be so na say one say Trump no mo ko oh yes, or very draw support.
Oh yes, say America is the biggest donor to the organization. He said, "Sa no be the any or be suspend your contribution to the organization."
Ni nyina ne say, ade no. Oh, the World Organization for the Casa o muni so no munye na o mo ya na afekura na ade yare ni chi nipa no mo. It is about say me him the phone.
Say ade am ye worried o ho now. Pano. Ever since the new protocol buying from no, I was thinking say okay, so is it that say obinya biwie na ye treat you nipa kuna na say emfa say or recover onipa kuna ontimi nya bi mu ana
obetimi nya bi mu
na
so ye wo free say ye wo bezi na we mu atum more than 100
any that will say we are ready to say me ba
kata nche more than 50
oh tie but who say we are ready to say chicken pox say who say no say
eyewa eno kra no cancer on mboa
oh but if
you obi a chini mpre no
e bia chichi nkofo ma me de me ho aya so manya
mesi ma hu obi a chini mpre
it's not person me hu pa say so omo no betimi asanya biam dia ene na chesade na ehu because san nkofo no say baby omkofo ayo omunya bi no I
think all US was a day. Now all case coronavirus no. You nya daji hwe ni na ehu chance de ehu because yare ne chewa in as much as say enkuwa ho betimi atowo no. Ho to wia ensunsu aso asade ba system no ti se wakoma ne o lungs no no su kra different. It me tiade ne kona na fe de ebom hu too much na me jaiti
say me be krom ka so more run research be say men who be infected with the virus no even after treatment if they are able to recover crana there are some of them it might even affect their reproductive system ama wan hwe crana o koron kra say obey nyim kra eno so be ya obebu atopan gudan mu kwa ahwe MP mfiri mane ade I say enkofo ye ada yi bibie bebe baba ye hu
so fupani ya eya yekoye Adom prince wona sorry
so for agina sorry
na osa ade no say aya abonsamsem
abonsam ne waji mo
osi coronavirus no agenda kese agese onye pese nyame ma be hie mo akwa asore ntina onye bo pa because ohwa say amamfo kodwom nipa egudwom nya nipa ketwa esukuu ni ebiebie
omote for the wa ne ade
nanu ina omoto aba primary si agese amamfo oji sika na amamfo oji TV obi anu amhu so oji TV o sanitize ye obi anu amhu so oji sika o sanitize ye what is it? And on my control by we in a jubilation near dear party after party and a number chira. nti asori ya betimi atitim se bintra na umba romo nsane ade a uma yebehwa ma uma ye bibia pepepe ada na asori ne de ye mo nko se utum se 100 na papa ne
kan hawen pa so o ka so fo na makai wadanfo man no so metene nka chepa ayi wadanfo so fo yi oye yi o de mpa che no ye wadanfo me osrui
sofu
yi
mu de na okay se me mo ayon kwa sofu bebre
okay o de ma me nye na yi ti si a o ka sofu ase no makai no
okay o hwe no Dr. and Mrs. Kwaku Kwatin NTHC Estate Ajigano na afi Honorable Sandra Usu Henkra MC Ayawaso West Municipal Assembly na Dr. Kome UMCA University of Ghana Medical Center we and chiake seke ene enkoma sa mpanimfu we ifri adwumawura yura kositrum okay no so ono ntan cheche asa
wadanfo naba wadanfo man naba anti tini na amse tini kache pa
yes enti abraba dunso konjaria onsana manino wo besa o kire me sai Jesus so dunso so achana power na woni pipa utune ni nyina nkone bisa kawa so atiase na no sa wura ni sa o besa o kire se mu no dia na wo o soft dia na wo mu no shaka sa ja so me ni mu pesa senior prophet kasam no me jana o ya me unya wo da so fia me fa kwasi asemsa awrani so bia no me adu the prophet e na wo kasisia o ya me jina senior o ni de mu dia na wo odifo urani na emu ne emwa because prophet chance we did we are there was so kwasi already chance na chance na aduan na uru ma already so bia na wo betima sa didi mu kira bi untumi
Mawi Edion Bobani banki ya egugu ye ebi wo hana waje bosia ha untu ya na
me
uni bi oje bosia banki egugu bi na office egugu die no an uni mbisa
no
because some say if next week come be publish din uni how the car
we is good
good graphic because some church letter ebi no one so me you say adinagu ne die we dey me kaise mampo na Mighty FM na station jatu mama na she we say community radio so na mpenfo ye say papa ne so obemia na ni no asaya but do ba bi na say ne memo ayi den kakrente ye coupon ni ade na afi ade bi so invitation to relaunch the station ni ade ko do ba bi na mpenfo bi o mo twahia
ka se no
omo to omo da me ni ade o say na ade ni kuta mu ni
nkwa anu ase
ani so
ayi be fi wa baro
Mighty FM na na fina ye pese ye ni esa page ozia mo bi adwuma me ja to mama na she say uza kofa ba bed na oni say any be 6 months cry your whole station home say papa na ni ho antwukumfa ba kra announcement say ni nua ba o say ni ba bi awu oba be announcement na there is no visit no hono obeniti ade
school no be call so be ko 15 fa me 1
awurade
be ko 22nd me 2 29 fa me 3 so school uniform era me star so school no wapo se la nado me hash asa unko bi umkura so dia me 9 Which me 0 e do man na do no aka wo so se ma chere.
Oh no. Yes yes.
Asewo ehun eyiro no.
Short code do nya rompe.
Say dem you. Odi ka bisa se school be kwa na. Ti so be kwa dia. Oh no.
So be ko 15 fa me 1. Over 22nd me 2 29 fa me 3 so school uniform era me star so school no wapo se la nado me hash asa unko bi umkura so dia me 9 which me 0 e do man na nado no aka oboso se ma chere no
asewo wende
Abeni
Jack me fancy
me fancy na we if we Kojo Mensa Brampa or say please wish Regina Equia hello happy birthday for me. You know say dinner hello and I say hello dear Regina Equia ELO hello hello na hello osinya kupo nshira na papa no nyana kuma so adi nyina
why Kojo eyide no
Kojo Mensa
no okay
na me okay ma menchia Becky si me send audio no ma no
Becky
Becky police ni wotema
oh okay Rebecca
then so she na no mu obi no nem se bia na omu gina aja won ye adwuma na China for ya report
me say issue no asemo
ama ormo everly China for na che bia ya mo barrier wotema
omo se omu yi barrier no fio no omo ekire omo baby momu omo fa barrier no konkosi asemo crowing
Ghana your problem
anyway see fast that kesema Airtel Tigo me pacho still we still in the season for extra Tigo so more airtime, more data bundles with him the idea of being to choose from Airtel Tigo's big time data extra fuse extra or extra unlimited sebea ubiti me enya extra person don't she when also be dial star 111 hash now what choose you plans this year Airtel Tigo life is simple after did your from DBS Industries Limited and they are losing trust some of the good dinosaur na sa what the chance aboso we know a lightweight it and fat pressure image na a dinosaur you guarantee man so there over 100 years is as we know empro and yeshi said the tears na ama bibia so I come at them I check on the Spinters Road next to Papa restaurant Ofie Hona pa Chibia would do Papa restaurant no so patch with me afre 0240 844-444. Now talk ready for 050-600-4242. More and more Kumasen on 050-600-4141. What's it say?
Pacho, really a request from Germany. Which mem call the number +49. Or say YouTube no dear or so. One son be get now. YouTube no so.
Okay. Maybe I no bear last voice. Mammy wrong when we is here me found to YouTube no. If I chop Papa's pizza say and they will deliver pizza and the umbrella baby I will be from all our branches say East Legon, North Legon, Dome, Tema, Osu, Spinkters Road and Ring Road. Or then patch your website on www.papaspizza.com. Now wash your wrong also then now bit me at dial star 844 star 10 hash no follow prompt no. Yeah, the pizza and bro, baby, I will be Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
We'll be sending message be or say Ghana we have over 10,000 COVID cases and my ex is still alive.
Or no ex. Just also the next little time to power.
One time there's a more than 10,000 cases now. Next I won't say that you betray.
Oh, David, all for this.
Now, Obisusi say a mahagia ye ding. Na
send it
or say no na nimfinfin no aye say a stem of a tree because of waste tree na si binom the boss be tree tina nimu aye barrier o experiences had ni bi da
bi obu a o hage oba bi otimi say nimu odin pampe unzen ko baskin softy we do otimi say barrier pa wahwehwe niama so mia ma na yefunu no komu a se de be ya yehunu
questions bi wa but before na dum ntino actually
mate friends YouTube man no ono kra ni din kra de sen kra
Samia Jim
Samia Jim right mero ma me wi ha no mi twantum e ba cho Jaisu Herbal Clinic ye kan fo e de amount bomodin a me ba cho mi nua mo UK ne importem and they want to do a Bomodia so be Fred Dr. Kwabna Shadra Kwabna in Chiakwa Jaisu Herbal Clinic or Regency Court Unit F Melton Kings Assembly Eke na what book appointment with him now what corner what turn the boss actual year pa we gonna need Dr. Papa just a Nimdian Quenim year pa but your number no +44 744 071 0664 +44 744 071 0664. Now Ghana has all red Jaisu Herbal Clinic at Chakwanya. A patch or the free 0244 529 398 and now 020